Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can request a credit limit increase online on the Bank of America. So if you're eligible for a credit limit increase, here are the steps to take. First is you have to log into your online banking account and then just select your credit card account and then click on request a credit line increase, which can be found under the card details in the account summary section. So in there, you just have to fill in the form with your target credit limit, your income information, and your housing payment. So request a credit line increase. So to request an increased line of credit, you have to complete and submit this form. So you authorize us to. So this is what is gonna be shown on the application or on the credit limit increase online. So here you can also see this one. So just a tip, before you apply a credit limit increase, gather a list of all your income sources. The larger your income, the better the odds that the Bank of America will grant your request. So you can also use the Bank of America application on doing the credit limit increase. So you can also request a credit line increase using your Bank of America application. To do that, just log into your application, select the credit card that you'd like to request a credit line increase for, and then just scroll down to the credit line section and select the credit line increase. So just fill in the form with your target limit and your income information and also your housing payment. So you will be seeing this one on the mobile application. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.